Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to cancel or delete your Twitter account on a PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So what we need to do is come across to our Twitter account. So I'm just going to open up a new internet browser and then come across to twitter.com. And then from here, if you're not already, you just want to go ahead and sign into your account. And then what you want to do is, if you look in the menu on the left hand side, you want to come down and click onto this one which says more. And then you want to come down to the settings and privacy option. So from here, what we're going to do is this is going to bring up your settings page. And if you look to this menu on the right hand side, your account, you need to click on the bottom option down here, which says deactivate your account. When you click onto that, it's just going to give you a brief summary of what's going to happen. So it basically says you're about to start the process of deactivating your Twitter account. Your display name, public profile will no longer be viewable on twitter.com, Twitter for iOS or Twitter for Android. You do get 30 days after you've hit this deactivate button to restore your account if you want to. But after those 30 days it does go off permanently. So if you want to download things like your Twitter data, that's going to go through and tell you how to do that. So if you want to download all your data before you deactivate your account, so just have a read through of this and do anything you need to do or want to do. And then once you've done that, if you're happy to go ahead, all you need to do is come right down to the bottom and then just click this red deactivate button. And once you've done that, that's going to start the deactivation process. As I say, you have got a 30-day kind of cooling off period if you do change your mind. And what you can do is log into your account and that's going to reactivate your account. But if not, then just click the deactivate button, leave Twitter to do its thing, and after 30 days or so, your account will be deleted or deactivated. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.